Good morning, students. So today we will continue the numerical regarding the designer, right? So here just I will recall it. First, we had studied the design criteria for two sedimentation tank, plain sedimentation tank and circular sedimentation tank, or we can say horizontal tank, and this is for circular tank. So we had seen that generally the detention time for plain sedimentation tank is 4 to 8 hours, and we had seen this volume formula is equal. What is the volume? So formula for volume is equal to Q into detention time. So, and here generally volume is taken as L into B into H, right? And here we had seen one more term V0, that is the 500 to 750 liter per hour per meter square. Similarly, for this tank we had seen that the L by B ratio can be taken as in the range of 3 to 5, right? So here we had seen next what this is the breadth, and this is the length, and this is the height of the tank. After that we had seen the ratio for this L upon VH is greater than or equal to H upon VS. Similarly, we had seen the formula for efficiency, VS upon V0 into 100 is this is the formula. If we take VS and V0 is equal to, then efficiency will be the 100%, right? Now after that we had also seen that settling velocity formula, that is equal to Q upon BL, and horizontal flow velocity is Q upon BH, right? Similarly, for circular sedimentation tank we had seen the formula for volume, that is equal, this is the formula, right? Next this is the same formula, that is volume will be equal to Q into dt, and Q is equal to V into A, then we can find out the area, right? So here now we will design one problem will be there, and we will solve this problem, right? So here now the problem is, so here I will read the problem. A rectangular sedimentation tank is treating 1.8 mld of raw water with detention time period of 4 hours. Volume of tank required is dash 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 meter cube. So we have to find volume. Next, if allowable surface overflow rate is 500 liter per hour per meter square, means what is given? V0 is given. Next, L upon B is given as 4, and then the length and width of the tank is. So we have to find what would be the length, what would be the breadth, right? So here we will solve this problem. So first we will write the given data, solution. We know that the volume for rectangular or any tank, circular or rectangular tank, that the formula is this Q into dt, detention time. This is the formula, right? Now what is given? The capacity of the rectangular sedimentation tank is given as 18 mld. That is the capacity, right? Or we can say that, so what that volume. So if I will convert it into million liter, that is what mld, million liter per day. 18 million, million means 10 to the power 6, liter, L means liter, and D means per day, right? So this is the actually, if I will convert it into per hour, so in one day I know that in one day there are the 24 hours, right? So I will convert this into hours, so it will be 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 liter. If I will divide it by 4, so it will be per hour, liter per hour, right? Now once okay, so we were talking about volume. So volume is equal to what? Q into dt, detention time, right? So this Q is given, this one is what? 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 into 20, that is liter, that is in liter per hour. If I will multiply this into detention time, and the detention time was given as 4 hours, 4 hour, right? So this hour will be cancelled, right? So it will come in liter, right? So here this 4, it will be cancelled 6. If I will solve this, this is 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 in divide by 6, that is a liter, that is liter. If I will convert it into meter cube, then what will be this one? 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 divide by 6. In again, if I will divide the whole thing into by 1000, it will be in meter cube. When I will solve this, I will get 300 meter cube. This is the volume. Okay, now I will get the volume. Now next term, that is given as surface overflow rate, that is V0 is given as second term. This is given as 500 liter per hour per meter square, right? And we know that the formula V0 is equal to Q upon B into L. We know this. So I will put the value here. So here it is what? 500. This is what? Liter per hour per meter square, right? And here what is Q upon B into L? We know that Q we had already seen this. This was actually our Q, right? Are you remember this? This is liter per hour. So if I will put this value, okay, no problem. Whatever given is, I will put this. That is given as 1.8. Q is 1.8 million liter per day. So means 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 MLD. This is million liter per day. So this is what? Liter per day. Okay. And here, so now this B into L will be here. B into L. Okay. Now, if I will solve this, so first I will convert this into meter square. I will solve whole thing. So first is 500 liter per hour per meter square will be equal to, and it was given as 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day. So if I will convert it into liter per hour, means what? I will divide it by 24 hours, right? And again here it was what? L into B, right? So this liter, again if I will solve, so this liter will cancel, then hour, see how it will be cancelled. See 500, it is what? Liter upon 1 into, it will be meter square upon hour, and this one will be equal to again 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 24 into liter. This is liter per hour. Actually just it should, I should not write this, but only this is actually the your terms, right? This one is your term. So here liter per hour again. So here liter will cancel. Here hour and hour will be cancelled. So what I will get? I will get 500, that is in meter square, okay, equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 24 into LB, right? Now this LB I will take here. So here what will be this one? 500 into LB will be equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 24, right? Now L into B will be equal to what? 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 24 into this 500 will come in multiplication. When I will solve this, L into B, I will get whatever it is, okay. I will keep as it is. Now one thing is that here L upon B is given as 4. L upon B is given as 4, right? So L will be equal to what? Then B into 4, yeah, or 4B, right? I will put this value here. So what will be this one? Sorry, here this L. So this one will be 4b into b will be equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 24 into 500. Here it will be what? B square 1.8 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 24 into 500, and this 4 will come here in denominator. So if I will solve, then I will get B value as, just I will calculate. So it will come 6.123 meter, right? Similarly, we know that L is equal to 4 times B. So L will be equal to 4 into, and I will put the value of B, this one, 6.123. So I will get here, I will get L is equal to 24.492 meter. So here just I will take in round figure, that is L will be equal to, I will take it as a 25 meter, right? Here this one I will take it in round figure. Similarly I will take B as a in round figure, that is 7 meter. That was actually, this was actually 6.123 meter. So I will take it as a 7 meter here. This one is 7 meter, right? So here I got the dimension L and B, right? So here this L and B we got. So we'll see one more problem in the next lecture, and then this sedimentation part will be over. Okay.